Welcome back, folks. You're watching Big Sky Diamond Painting with Bronwyn. Apparently, when it rains, it pours here at Shea Big Sky because when I got back from lunch and errands, I had mail from AliExpress and a Diamond Art Club waiting for me. We're going to do separate videos, and everything's going to get uploaded. Who knows when? But the long and short of it is, I already filmed like 4 videos this morning for my clearance haul, and now I've got more. So, we're going to get right down to it, because guys, I'm exhausted. I went to Joann Fabrics to buy fabric for my Halloween costume, and it was crazy. Not as crazy as the last time I went, which is a story I may tell in like a whip and chat or a live or something, but it was still pretty crowded and crazy. And I think my Joann is like super understaffed, because I swear when I go, I see the same 3 people there, and they only ever have 1 person at checkout, and they need more people than that. Anyway, this is a AliExpress order from the Feelinhome store. I'll put the name up here. I was inspired to buy from them because I saw that Stone Cold Coffee Crafts had gotten a bunch of these little paintings. I have one that I got off Amazon that I'll put a picture of in here. It's just like these. I think they all come from the same parent company, but it's of a little narwhal, and I've been meaning to get a bunch of different ones, but Heike had found like the best price basically, so I thought, well, I'm gonna take the plunge and get a few more. Also, there were some really cute ones that she got, so I was like, oh man, I need to get some. So we are gonna go over those. I think I'm not going to show the separate gems on these because they're basically just round rhinestones in different sizes. And on these little ones, and they're, you know, they're not really, I mean, they're not really that special. I will do a finished canvas video for these when I finish them, because I am going to do them right away. But I just thought that these were super cute. So, this is the one that inspired me. This little cat with a fish, and it's super cute. I see that it does have a sparkly canvas. Some of these have a little bit of a sparkle in the canvas, and some of them don't, apparently. They each do come with a simple kit that looks like it just has wax, single placer, green boat. And they have their drills packaged in a strip with the number or letter listed on there. So there's no key or inventory sheet or anything like that. You just know from what's on the package for what's on there. And they're so small that really that's a fine way to do it. So, gosh, these are, I don't even want to take these out of the package. I'll take one out because, like I said, they're basically the same. I'll take one out so we can test the sticky, and the symbols are very clear, I know from experience. These are, you know, for something that's so low priced, very well done. They're like a nice thick canvas. Another thing that Heike had said about this company, and the reason that she recommended it, other than it being cheap, but they don't fold the canvases. They send them flat, which is another big plus on these. I don't remember if this company offers the option to get it with a frame, but a lot of places that sell these images do offer the option for a frame. So keep that in mind. I decided not to bother because I just didn't feel like paying the extra for it. And the frame that comes with it, it's not that great. It's just really an ease thing if you don't want to go out and buy a frame. But the thing I don't like about it, and it looks fine, it is fine, but the thing I don't like about it is that it's almost like the white paint is, it's not rubbing off, but it's like it's not staying white. It's not really getting dirty, but it's almost like it's like a little bit translucent, and so it looks like you can see through it to the wood almost a little bit, and I don't like it. So anyway, plenty sticky. The one thing to remember about these is that it is sticky all over the canvas, so you might want to take like some fine glitter or something and put it over these, because it will be sticky if you're not going to frame it or seal it. It will be sticky between the gems. They're pretty close packed, but still. So that is something to keep in mind. And you can see how clear everything is. You really would have no problems telling everything. And in my experience, there's not really too much issue with the training wheel showing through behind the gem either, the diamond. And I've also had pretty good luck with the quality of the diamonds, and they really do look good. I will post again the finished picture of my narwhal here so that you guys can get an idea of what something like this might look like finished. So that's the cat. We have the simple little whale. I think he's pretty cute. Alright, I guess we're going to take this one out because he is, we'll take these last three out just because their stickers are right in front of their faces, and I want you to be able to see the full image. So this is the little French Bulldog. I thought he's like just super, super adorable. And these are ones that like honestly have been on my wish list for ages. So finding a good store to buy them from was really nice. And I think they were definitely under $5 each. I think they were like $2 something or $3 something. I will try to put the price in here when I edit. So this is the little lion. I think that one's super cute. I might make that and give that to my niece. Just adorable. This one's the square ones are all 15 by 15 centimeters. And the rectangular one I believe is 15 by 20, but I will double check. That's the cat. I'll double check that here in a second. Okay. And this is a little tiger, which, sorry to anybody who hates the crinkle, I apologize. And there's the little tiger. I know one of the complaints that I've heard about this one is that it doesn't have the black outline like a lot of them do, but there doesn't really, like this one also doesn't have a black outline. They're not terribly consistent with these. It would be nice if single one was very consistent, but I still think that they're going to turn out really cute. And they don't have to be a matching set. I'm not doing any kind of art installation or anything to make them match. So, alright, so that's my 5 little, 15 by 20. So that's my 5 little special diamond paintings. And then I also got 3 larger special diamond paintings. And I'll go a little bit more in depth with these. A couple of these, actually maybe just this one that I'm about to open, I actually had in my cart from Feelinhome store when I decided to purchase from there. Alright, now one thing I'm noticing is that this plastic is really, really super thin and chintzy, but again, not a big deal because like look at this. The gems are literally just on the butterflies and this. If you were going for like max diamond to canvas ratio, this would not be the one to buy, but I thought it was so pretty, and it's kind of like a rainbow Dreamcatcher type thing. This toolkit seems to be a little bit upgraded. It's got the green tray, the wax, the single placer, and then it has those plastic tweezers. Honestly, those plastic tweezers, though, I just throw them out. I've heard one person say that they were really good and that they used them, but I have not had good luck with them. Okay, so this, I'm sure, has a way to get into it, but I'm not seeing it. So I'm gonna not open this. I do see we've got some of my favorite kind of little pearls in there, so I'm excited about that. We have some marquise-shaped opaque Aurora Borealis things. We've got some little rhinestone marquises, some little orange cabochons, whatever. I think, ooh, and it looks like we've got, yes, we've got some just regular, like oil slicky colored ABs hiding in there too. So this has got 15 colors. It's 30 by 40, which I'm guessing is the full canvas size. So I'm gonna guess, actually I'm not gonna guess, I'm gonna get my measuring. That doesn't have centimeters on it, but it's, let's see, 9.5 by a little over 13 inches. Convert that to centimeters, guys. I'll put it in here. Anywho, but there's no way that this isn't 30 by 40 in the full canvas size. And oh look, they've put the key on both sides. That was nice of them. Anyway, don't know what I'll call this. Rainbow Dreamcatcher, probably. Alright, that's not going to go back in its bag. Alright, so this next one is kind of like a rainbow scene. Now this one is a lot of bang for your buck for a partial special diamond painting if you're looking for diamond to canvas ratio. Penguin. I love that that's a thing. I don't know why that's a thing, but I love that that's a thing. This has the same basic toolkit with the very flimsy plastic tweezers that I just throw away. This one has little hearts, guys. Look. Little hearts. Let's see. This one is also equally hard to get into, so I won't be opening this one. Okay, so this has different sizes of round rhinestones. So I can already see this has got little tiny ones and it's got slightly bigger ones. There's some marquise-shaped ones here that look like they're going to be the leaves of the tree. So these are 16 colors. And I just thought this one was really nice because it's like this pretty tree with like this really colorful sky and a nice little hill. And it's a nice, I don't think it's got a size on it anywhere. I wonder if the wrapper had a size. Let me see. Nope, I don't see a size. Well, let's see what it is in inches and then I'll convert. So it's 9.5 by just under 9.5. So I will convert that to centimeters here to give you a size. And let's check the sticky. Plenty sticky. I love this one too because it kind of reminds me of like calico fabric, the way this is. This one I might sprinkle some glitter on because of the fact that the adhesive does go all over it. And if you don't know what I'm talking about, I've seen a couple people with special diamond paintings where the backing is still sticky after they put all the gems on, where they will put ultra fine glitter on it to help make it less sticky, and then it also, you know, helps it, it'll add, you know, sort of more sparkle to the background, but mainly it's to keep it from being as sticky. And if you use like clear ultrafine glitter, it looks really nice. So that's my second one. And then last but not least, we have another one that is going to be kind of a full coverage special diamond painting. I actually really like the quote-unquote full coverage special diamond paintings, which is what I'll call these, because I think that they look really good. You know, they kind of like, they don't have to be in like a set out grid, but they're kind of free form, and I think they look really nice. I've had this one on my wish list for a while, wasn't sure where to buy it from, so when I saw that Feelinhome had it, I figured I'm putting in an order. It's relatively cheap. Again, they have really good prices. I am probably going to have to iron these canvases that were rolled up because they are kind of creased on there, but I'll do that. I'm actually going to have my iron out probably today or tomorrow for my costuming, so good as opportunity as any. So let's see if this one is, nope, not any easier to get into. Has the same toolkit as the other two with the cheap tweezers. Looks like we don't have any special shapes. It's all round, but different sizes of round. So we have the small, quote-unquote normal sized ones. We have bigger ones. We have even bigger ones. Looks like we have 10 different colors. And this is just another little French Bulldog, only now he's got red glasses and a little bow tie. So I think he's going to be really cute. Another one that's named Penguin. I don't know what's up with that, guys. Anyway, I am going to leave that there for this video. Just a, you know, quick little unboxing. I'll let you know how these turn out, but I mean, this one has the sparkly canvas too. I'm pretty sure they're going to turn out fine. I've never had a problem with these types of paintings. The only thing that I would even complain about is the fact that the plastic cover is super, super flimsy. But if you liked this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. I will link all the paintings in the description. If you want to see my next video or tutorial or whatever it's going to be, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. And if you want to get notified when I upload a video or go live, hit the bell after you hit the subscribe button. I will see you guys in the next one. Bye-bye.